Hello there, I am Nadia. Welcome to our UAE Corporate Tax Guide series. This is the guide on free zone persons in the UAE and their eligibility for a special corporate tax rate. Let's delve into the key aspects of this tax regime. A free zone person becomes a qualifying free zone person, eligible for a 0% corporate tax rate on their qualifying income when they meet certain conditions. This special tax rate is available until the tax incentive period provided in the free zone legislation expires. To qualify, a free zone person must fulfill these requirements for being a qualifying free zone person: derive qualifying income from relevant transactions, maintain adequate substance in the UAE, satisfy the de minimis requirement, choose not to be subject to corporate tax, comply with the transfer pricing rules and documentation requirements, prepare and maintain audited financial statements. Do these terms sound confusing? Don't worry. We will explain these specific terms in next slides. Qualifying income is the income that can benefit from the 0% corporate tax rate. Qualifying income includes income from transactions with other free zone persons, except from excluded activities, income from transactions with non-free zone persons, both domestic and foreign, but only for qualifying activities that are not excluded activities. Qualifying income does not include income derived from excluded activities. The excluded activities are listed in Ministerial Decision number 139 of 2023 regarding qualifying activities and excluded activities, and include transactions with natural persons, specific financial activities, ownership or exploitation of a movable property outside of free zones, intellectual property assets, and activities that are ancillary to the above activities. Qualifying income includes income derived from transactions with non-free zone persons only in respect of qualifying activities. These activities are defined in Ministerial Decision number 139 of 2023. These include manufacturing, processing, holding of shares and securities, ship management, reinsurance services, fund management, wealth and investment management, headquarters services to related parties, treasury and financing services, aircraft financing and leasing, distribution of goods from designated zones, and logistics services. Adequate substance requirements. To satisfy these, a free zone person must perform core income generating activities within the free zone. This can be done directly or outsourced to a related party or third party within the free zone. They must also demonstrate adequate staff, assets, and operating expenditures within the free zone. De minimis requirement. This allows a small amount of non-qualifying income without disqualification from the regime. The non-qualifying revenue in a tax period must not exceed AED 5 million or 5% of total revenue. Election to be taxed at general rates. A qualifying free zone person can choose to be taxed at the general corporate tax rates. If they fail to meet the conditions for being a qualifying free zone person at any time during a tax period, they will be taxed at general rates for the next 5 tax periods. Thank you for watching. This guide provides general guidance and an overview of the corporate tax regulations for free zone persons in the UAE. It is strongly advised that individual advice should be sought from a qualified professional to confirm the current tax laws and regulations and how they apply to your specific circumstances.